Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how we can manage updates. So when you first get into your fun class, let's go in and let me just move my clips out of the way. It's telling me to choose a camera. The camera that I have is in the other one, so I'll choose this one. And it's going to show me my camera. And then I am going to choose a background and then I'm going to start. Now I am in the class and I have to keep this awful camera on. This is the one that comes with the computer. So let's look at how we can move the layout. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go up here and you're going to see manage layouts. Now for you to drag everything around, you want to have it on the custom layout form and you're going to hit update for everyone. You can then take it and slide to the left, or you can grab it and slide to the right. And as you can see, it's applied to everyone else. So I hope that explains how to manage the layouts. You can manage them from here. And I suggest that you use custom layouts. It's just the easiest one. I prefer to have it at the tip top, and the smart layouts usually will freeze it so you cannot move the camera around again. So like I just stick with your custom layouts and then you can just slide it. My favorite place is on